Gang, thanks for tuning into your review channel. Today we're looking at the Takamine 3x360 12-line self-leveling green laser, basically 3D laser. Basically gives you the whole 9 yards, soup to nuts, plain, horizontal, vertical. Take a look at this whole kit, this whole box right here. Just like you see here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get to the video. Hey gang, thanks for tuning into your review channel. Today we're looking at a Takamine laser level, class 2 laser level, but green laser level. This is fantastic. Let's take a quick look at this product itself. It was very nice of them to send this to me to take a look at it and review it. It comes in a nice hard case, as you can see here. And a lot of people are looking online and looking at these reviews, and I'm going to give you my honest opinion. I'm going to talk to you about this laser and just give you the features and benefits, and you make the decision. But you know, some of these lasers can be extremely expensive, and from what I've seen online, they can range between $200 and $1,000, some of these high-end lasers. So you don't need to spend a fortune, but you want something good quality and you want something that's going to do the job. So it comes with the manual, just like you see here. So that's simple enough, easy enough to understand. And you can look at that manual yourself. This is a 12-line laser. There's different ones out there, but this one does 12 lines. So what's in the kit? Let's take a look at it. Hey guys, if you enjoyed the content of my video, please let me know. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're happy with the videos, let me know. Please let me know. Leave some comments down below. Also consider that super thanks in the bottom. That heart, what does any money that I do raise with that does go back into the channel. Everything I do raises into my channel to help me create more and new content for you. So I can teach you a little bit about products, because sometimes a picture doesn't always tell everything. It's really, you want to be able to feel it and touch it and see what you're getting into. And I think that's what it's all about. So consider that. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps me out quite a bit, as always. I appreciate that. It really helps me. So what's in the kit? Okay, so what we have in the kit here, let's go through all the accessories first. So what we do have is a battery charger. As you can see here, this is a USB-C battery charger, which is really smart. Okay, that's the first thing that's in the kit. Let's actually take a look at the battery. Here is a nice quality battery here, the USB-C battery. The charger's right here, the charging port's right here. And also it does have a button to check the power level, and this does have 3 bars remaining. It did come like this, so almost fully charged. You can top it off if you want to. You can take a look at that. So this is a nice quality battery. It's a 5200 milliamp battery, 3.7 volts, approximate runtime around 10 hours of runtime, and it's got 4 indicators like I showed you before, so it'll let you know when the battery's running low and just give it a charge. And it's pretty quick charge. It's USB-C. Let's continue. It does come with the remote control, so you can control this either on the device itself or on the remote. So that's what it comes with, the remote control. So what we have here, little tripod, and these tripods are all totally adjustable, like this here, and it has a 5/8 mount on the bottom, so you can actually mount this actually to a professional tripod or a surveying tripod. And then you got the top itself here that turns around. You can see here, you can fine tune it like this, or you can actually just swivel it either way. So that works like that. You just set it down on the surface. Let's say you're working on a tile in the bathroom. You want this to ground level, put it on the ground, make your fine tune adjustments here, and so forth. And this level is self-leveling, just so you know. So most of these levels are self-leveling. So you ask, what's the metal plate for? The metal plate is for, so you can use this tool. This tool here is an extra mount that you can mount anywhere that you're looking to access into a room, or to are you working on a survey, are you building a specific wall, you want certain lines, you're painting, whatever it is. It has magnets in the back, but if you don't have access to a magnet, you just put a couple drills into sheetrock, or wherever you're working, and you can just stick it right out like that, and then the mount just slides right on here. This is a friction mount, easy to do, and then you can adjust all your levels and pivots with this specific one here. You can slide this back and forth by holding this here, sliding it back and forth, or you can just really fine tune it by just like turning the lever here. This moves it up and down slowly, and also you do. So this knob here turns this left and right, and this knob here it'll pivot this way. Not as much pivot, but actually move it back and forth this way here. So let's get this straight so I can show you. And this magnet is pretty strong. So you can see it'll change its axis a little bit. So you can see this is going this way, hopefully, and then you can change it the other way. So you can kind of move things, but you can really fine tune exactly where this is going to go. Really kind of cool. And then you have also your level. You have your height. So if you're a little low, a little high, you can adjust it up and down. So that's what this is for. That's going down, and if you turn it up this way, you can see it going up. Okay, so that's what that's for. So you have multiple adjustments here, easy access points. This come with that. It does have a bubble level on the bottom. You can see here, so you can actually make this perfectly level. This attaches. This is magnetic. Magnet. If you're working with a metal stud and there's something that's metal, you can stick it, or you can just screw this to a stud. You can put it this way, you can have it this way. There's all different configurations here. So many things here. But the main thing I really like is the actual Lazer itself. Let's take a look at that. So Lazer itself is made high quality, really nice construction. I like the build on it. Battery slides and everything is friction fit, so it's easy to use. Like I said, even on here, this is all friction fit. You can see, it slides it on. It's all friction fit, so you don't have to worry about that. Easy to move. You can take it off this way. You want to mount it this way, you can mount it that way. So all different ways of using that. So you have vertical, you have horizontal, of course, and you have a lock mode. Lock mode locks the pivot, so these won't move around during transport, which is super important. Also acts as a power button. And that's how that works. So I think it's a very smart design. It's compact, powerful, and actually really nice. I like it a lot. So let's put this on. And let's put it down, take a look at it. Let's turn it on. You can see the light blinking right there. So you can see that. And I got the lights pretty bright here in the studio, so I want you to just notice it's pretty bright here. So now, if you're looking to do a special setting, let's say you want to do something that's crooked line, and you want to do like a stairway or something, easy enough to do. You just want to put it on. Let's see. Let's put on this. Let's put on a vertical line here, and then we just hold it down. And let's see the light is solid. And that light is solid like that. Okay, let's get out. So now, when it's out of alignment, you can see here, it doesn't blink. Okay, so that shuts off the pulsing, the error, let's call it that. That shuts it off. So you can do a line this way if you want to, a horizontal 45 line, and it's not going to blink and drive you crazy. That's the way to shut that off and on. Now that's easy enough to do. You hold it down again for a few seconds and shuts that off. So that's really kind of cool. It has also 2 different power modes. Hold down the H button. It gets a little dimmer. It's hard to see, but you can see here the indicator. It lights up. It lets you know. And also, you just hold it down again, and that makes it full power. So you can have 2 different power settings as well. It gives you a little bit more distance, around 100 feet, I think, roughly, approximately, for the distance on this, so you can see the line level. Okay, so we have a setup here. So you have a vertical, horizontal, also plumb. It does the grid line, like I said before. And I'm just showing you here on a table. I'm just going to get it set up. So you can use the remote control, or you can use the actual device itself. You can also dim the lasers. It has 2 different dim, a lower and a brighter settings as well. You can actually lock it, so you can do angles with this. So it's a full functioning laser level, like you would pay $500 or $600 for. It does all the features just like you see here. You can see in the wall, it goes quite a bit, really far away. I'll just do a quick cutaway. I'm going to show you. I'm going to have it mounted on a tripod in a minute, and you can see that as well. So you can see here all the functions here. You got vertical, horizontal, plumb, like I said. It's got soup to nuts. It really does everything. It's just waterproof. I mean, you name it. It has so many features and benefits. You know what it is. It's a good quality. You can see when it's out of level, it blinks, so it lets you know. So you get that 4-degree differential, so you can play with that, so you know. So you can just adjust it. So if it's blinking on you, you know it's out of level, which is good to know. And once it's level, it'll stop blinking. You can do your grid lines. You can turn it around. It's fine tunable. It's the whole 9 yards. You name it. This thing is fantastic. I'm going to hook it to my tripod real quick. I'm going to show you that. Okay, so now I have it hooked to my tripod, you can see here, and it just, once you hook it on, you screw it on, you're good to go. So you set up in any room, and if you're setting up for sheetrock or anything like that, you can just set up and just grid the whole room, floor to ceiling, as you can see here. And this is pretty far away, actually. You can see the grid lines in the ceiling, way in the back here, grid lines all the way back there, and they're really, really powerful. So you can see the green line. It's really, really, really nice on the ceiling. You can see that, really nice. I like that. Very, very powerful. And this is quite a bit away as well. So you can see right on the ceiling, on the line, everything is all level and plumb and ready to go. So love it, love it, love it. Good quality thing, as you can see here, and with all the bright lights, you can still see the line. So yes, do I recommend it? I definitely do. I mean, it's got a high quality, it's got the battery, it's got the remote control, it's got everything. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I do appreciate that. I'll leave a link down below for this product. If you're interested in this product, everything that you purchase through this link, it does help support my channel. I do appreciate that. Also, consider that super thanks. It does help me out quite a bit as well. And I hope you enjoyed the review. If you have any questions, leave down below. And don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate it as always. See you at the next one.